everyone and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this J2 Nama juicer I just purchased, and I'm so happy with my purchase, and today we're going to be unboxing it together. Let's get into the video. I have not opened this box before. I just got it and it just came in, so let's go ahead and unbox this juicer. I'm so loving this. It's really so tight, well made. Okay, so open here. So we are going to open the box right here. Smoothie strainer, and this one is the juice container, pop container. This is the container, and here is the pusher cleaning brush. Here is the base. Here is the chamber set plus the quick start guide, and the structure says start here, so we're going to start right here. Set, and we're boxing it together. So this is my first time seeing this, and I've seen it online. I've been wanting to get this for a long time. And I'm so happy it's finally here. So this is the chamber set. And this is a warm welcome. Quick start guide, the user manual. So we have this manual and a recipe book and another manual. Alright, so here is it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together in a complete set. Let's go ahead and open the base. Here is the cable. Here's the base. Can you see? Follow my WhatsApp status, you know that I'm very health conscious. I watch what I put in my body. So here it is. I'm ready to start juicing and getting all the nutrients from my juice. And here is the pusher cleaning brush. Okay, so here is a brush. You can use the brush to clean this juicer. And here is the pusher to push in your fruit. And here is the juice pulp container. It comes with two containers, 2 cups. And here is the lid. One cup goes here. Okay, this is the pulp cup. This is for the juice. This is for the pulp. So here's the setup, and here's the cover for the juice, I guess. Probably when I'm done juicing, I cover it up, and when I need to juice, I just open up the juice right here. So we have one more box to open, and here is the smoothie strainer. Taste the juice that will be coming out from this juicer. So here's one of the strainers, and this is another product from Nama, and this is the J2 Nama juicer. The first one is not, this well. People, said it's good, but this one is more, faster. The juice tastes better. Because of the cup, you can just put in all your fruit and vegetables, and you can just plug it and just let it do its thing. So plug it in, and you can walk away, and by the time you come back, you'll have your juice here, and then you can pour, and then you have your pulp here. Here, let me introduce you to all my blenders. So this is one of the first one I got because I love smoothie. You can call me the smoothie queen. I'm a smoothie fan. So I got this first, and this is a food processor. This can make dough, and it has 2 blades, one for the dough and one for the food processor. It can also blend dry ingredients, and this is a Ninja blender. This is the first one I got, and one of the reasons why I would not use this for my smoothie is because I always love a very smooth consistency for my smoothie. So anytime I blend raspberry in this blender, I still have some seeds in it. So, and I really want my smoothie to be very, very smooth. No seed, no shaft, it should be very, very smooth and creamy. So I love this blender. I don't use it to make smoothie anymore. I just use it I use the fruit processor to blend all my dry ingredients, and I still use this blender, and I love it. And this one is the one I got. This Niger, back to this Niger. I've had this Niger for 4 to 5. It's about 5 to 6 years now. And this is JTC Omni blender, and I got this blender 2 years ago in 2020. I love this blender a lot, and this blender would give me a very smooth smoothie. It crushes all the seed, it crushes everything, and gives me a very smooth smoothie. And I love this blender when I need to make a soup. If I want to make any type of soup, if it's fish pepper soup or let me say the catfish, I want my soup to be very, very smooth, no shaft, no seed. So this does a very good job for me. I love it. I still use it, and it has 3 settings. You can use the 35 seconds, so it's going to run for 35 seconds and it's going to stop on its own. It has the 60 seconds to run for 60 seconds and to stop on its own, and then you can have a 90 seconds. It will run for 90 seconds and stop on its own, but usually I use the 60 seconds button because it does the work for me all the time. And my husband, he doesn't like noise, so we had to get this one because it conceals the noise. So when I want to blend, I cover it up and it conceals the noise. And here is my J2 Nama juicer I just got. I'm so happy. So all this while I thought this blender would give me the juice that I want, but no, it's giving me it as smoothies. So, and now I'm ready to start juicing, and this Nama J2 juicer is what I need for my juicing needs, and I'm so excited and so happy. Okay, so we are going to make a juicer. Hopefully in the next video we're going to make a juicer with this J2 Nama juicer. So here is the collection of all my blenders. I invest a lot in my health and in my kitchen equipment. So, and yeah, I'm so happy to share this with you, and yeah, I hope you love it. If you have any questions, leave questions in the comments. If you have any questions about these blenders, these are the blenders I use, and I'm going to be using all these 3 all the time, depending on what I want to use it for. If I need to blend a dry ingredient, I use this, and if I need to blend my pepper or smoothie, I use this, and if I need to make my juice, here is my juice blenders. Okay, so again, here is my J2 Nama juicer. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you would subscribe, like, and share with your loved ones. And in my next video, we're going to be making a juice with this juicer, and you're going to see how it works. And thank you for watching.